सो गया उठ गया। So guys, we are at Mudford Resort. This is in Kuchesar, which is in UP, quite far from, not very far I would say, very close to Delhi. It's a small village in UP and you can just drive down. I came from Gurgaon. It took me around 3 hours, and you can follow Google but not completely, because in between it might misguide you. So use little bit of your direction sense, and you'll land up in this beautiful place, and you can do couple of things besides good food, good stay, and a couple of places you can explore uh, here, you can do a lot of activities. You can take a tractor ride, and so it is a good change, because if you're looking out for a weekend excursion, this could be one of the possibility. And if you don't want to go very far, you can always come at this place, and it will not disappoint you. I had a wonderful time with my group of people of travel solo and smart, the community that I got. So we got connected and we decided. So we were around 8 people we planned to come, but somehow it was like only 6 people could come. So yesterday we had a great time. We went to, we took a tractor ride. We all decided to take a tractor ride, and then what we did was, we visited mango orchid, and then we visited jargon making factory. So that video also I'll be sharing. And then we came back and we sat, we had tea, we had bonfire. It was a great fun. So let's see when I'm going to travel next and where I'm going to travel next. And now that I always prefer to take my community along, so that people can have such kind of experience. This place was probably kind of undiscovered, and everybody kind of had a great time, because it's always good to go to some unexplored places as well. Thank you, Srishti here. Do subscribe to my channel if you like.
हो तो गया ही था, बस सस्टेन करना है।
पेड़ पे चढ़ना इतना आसान नहीं है जितना लगता है। Let's see.
इतना ऊंचा नहीं है।
ये दो लोग जो है, ये सच में एक्सपर्ट है, जो चढ़ गए हैं किसी तरह से, और हम लोग चाह रहे हैं कि इनकी तरह चढ़ना, बट हो नहीं पा रहा है। एक हमारे साथ है ये निशु, जो ट्राई कर रही हैं। We are wishing her all the best. निशु, all the best. You can do it.
आराम से भाई, बॉस लाइट
चलो, बट इट्स अ फन। ये पूरा जगह ही इट्स अ फन, वी केम ऑन अ ट्रैक्टर एंड इट्स रियली गुड।
सृष्टि,
या
I got one.
चलो, I'm calling you.
ये वाला भी लग रहा है।
हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं हैंडपंप में से पानी निकालने के लिए। वो कह रहे हैं कि ख़राब हो गया है, तो नाकामयाब कोशिश रही। So this is a fort in Kuchesar that has been converted into heritage site, which is spread across several acres of land, and it is great to visit and take a walk around the fort. And there's nothing better than staying in the fort and enjoying the view as well. So here is a view of this fort and other activities you have already seen. It was great staying here. After the morning nature walk in the spacious heritage resort, I'm heading towards my room. So, this room is spacious enough for me to relax and beat all the tiredness of the day it was much needed. We did all the activities like tractor ride, and then we went to mango orchid, jaggery plant, and in the morning we did pottery. So this room was good enough for us to give a relaxing sleep and waking us fresh to the next day. After having such a wonderful weekend, it's time to say goodbye, which is never easy, but we have to till the time we plan our next trip. Thank you, and do subscribe to the channel. Bye.